Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. This is me, Ms. Rida Asif, your maths teacher from Asif Public Academy, Campus 5. So students, what we are going to discuss today, we are going to review the pages 31 till 46. That means chapter number 3, Algebra. In this chapter, we are going to revise today algebraic expressions, addition of polynomials, and subtraction of polynomials. So, what is an algebraic expression? Here you can see the algebraic expression 9 plus 3y. 9 plus 3y. Now what is this 9 called here? 9 is the constant, where 3 is the coefficient and y is what? Y is what? Y is the variable. Okay? What is called constant? Constants क्या होते हैं बेटे? Constants having definite value. Okay? For example, 1. 1 is a constant. Here 9. Example 9. 9 is a constant. Its value is fixed. It cannot be changed. So it's called a constant. Now what about this variable y? Y, these letters have no definite values. We have to assign any value for y. For example, here we can take y is equals to 2. We can put the value of y here. So we can assign any value to the variable. What about this 3? 3 is the factor of the product. So it is called the coefficient. Okay? 3 is called the coefficient of the remaining product. Okay, so 3 is here the coefficient. Which kind of coefficient? It's a numerical coefficient. Okay, it is in the form of number, so it is a numerical coefficient, right? So students, symbols of operation in algebra. There are 4 symbols. This plus sign, how can we read in the language of algebra? Here, y is to be added to x. Y is to be added to x. So that means y plus x plus y. Okay. Now y is to be subtracted from x. The term which is written with from is going to be written first. Okay. So x minus y, not y minus x. Okay. Don't assume that the term which is written first is going to be written first. No. The term which is written with from is going to be written first. Now, x is to be multiplied by y. How can we write in terms of, in the language of algebra? X multiply with y, or x dot y, or x simply y. Okay, no sign is between them. So, Jayakumar, which sign is them between them? It's a sign of multiplication. Now, x is divided by y. We can write like this: x divided by y, or x over y. Okay, or we can say that x upon y. Now the question is, write in the language of algebra the sum when 12 is added to x. Okay, so simple, x plus 12. Remainder when 4 is subtracted from p. What will be the answer, Sheros? Remainder when 4 is subtracted from p. We have to write what first? We have to write, yes, very good, Sheros. We have to write p first. Okay, Ramla? Okay? P minus 4. P minus 4. Now next, the product of a to the power 4 and b to the power 7. Product means, what is the meaning of product, Hania? Hania, what is the meaning of product, Anamta, Promessa? Can you please tell me? Product means? Product means they are, what is the sign between them? Multiply. Very good, Aisha. Okay, so they are going to multiply like this: a power 4 multiply, no sign between them. Anamta, when no sign between them, there is a sign of multiplication, b raised to the power 7. Now here the quotient when a to the power 4 is divided by b. So here you can see that divided is written over there. That means it is the question for division. So a power 4 divided by b. Yeah, a power 4 over b. Right? Now here we have to simplify. X plus x. Kainat, can we add these two terms? Yes, students. Can we add these two terms? Sumaya, Umar, Abdul Rahman. Can we add these two terms? Exactly. Yes, we can add, because in addition, please remember this point, that in addition and subtraction, variables and powers must be same. So here x plus x. That means what is the coefficient with x? 1. Okay. So here 1x plus 1x is 2x. Good. Now what about 2xy minus 3pq? For addition and subtraction, variables and powers must be same. Exactly. So can we add these two terms? Can we subtract minus 3p from 2xy? Say yes or no? No, exactly no. So the answer will remain same. Okay? Answer will remain same. Now here, x upon y, 1x upon y, 1x upon y. 3x upon y are adding together. Okay? When here you can see that same term is there. Same term is going to be added. So can we add these 3 terms? Yes, exactly. We can add these 3 terms and we get the answer exactly. We get the answer 3x upon y. Okay? 3x upon y. Now the question is, if a is equals to minus 2 and b is equals to 3, find the value of. Okay? Now, how can we solve this question? Naseba, are you there with me? Alishba Sarfaraz, Alishba Rizwan? Waiting. The question is b minus a. Okay? Now listen to me carefully. Here, a contains the negative value. Okay? So put the values properly. Okay? B is equals to 3. First you have to put the value of b. B is equals to 3, and then copy down the minus sign, and then value of a is minus 2. Okay? A की value क्या है? Minus 2. So first we have to write down 3, then minus 2. So exactly, Sheroz, you are correct, and Aisha, you are correct also. Umar, look at the question, bete. 3 minus from the question and minus 2. Here the value of a is minus 2. So Umar, minus plus, minus plus. We get 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Bilkul sahi, Ali. We have to put minus 2 within the bracket. Okay, so we get the answer 5. Umar, is it clear now? Now students, what will be the answer of a minus b? When we have to subtract b from a, what will be the answer then? Try to solve this question. A value is, what is the value of a? A value is minus 2, and then we have to copy down the minus sign, and then we have to copy down 3. Okay, so what will be the answer then? I got one answer. Okay? Exactly. Both are correct. Both the boys are correct. Both the boys are correct. Ali and Sheroz. Both are correct. Bete, Aisha, you are correct also. Bete, we get the answer minus 5. Hania, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Remember, plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Clear? Now the next question is 2a plus 3b. Bete, properly put the values of a and b. If there is a negative sign, we have to put it in the bracket. Alishba Sarfaraz, Alishba Rizwan, please, I want your answers also. Yes, Rida. No, Rida, we have to put the values. We have to put the value of a and b in the given expression. Okay, we have to put the value of a and b in the given expression. So we get the answer here. 2 minus 2. Here 2 2's are 4, and then we get the minus sign, and 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Very good. 9 minus 4 is 5. Rida, this question is clear or not? But we have to put the values. We are not being, how can we add these two variables? These two variables are different, na? Okay? Now next question. Now look at the question, beta. A is equals to 1 and B is equals to minus 2. Then prove that. Now look the simplification carefully. Now here, there is a left hand side and right hand side. We have to prove that left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Okay. First we have to take, Ali here, we have to take the left hand side. Okay. So left hand side is A plus B and A minus B. Now write it down over here and put the equal to sign and just put the value of A and B in the given question like this. Here, the A is equals to 1. B is equals to minus 2. Put it in the small bracket and then you have to make the curly bracket around it. Now, then A is equals to again 1. Put the value of A and then B is equals to minus 2 within the small bracket, round bracket, and then put the curly bracket. Now, in the next step, we have to remove the round bracket and we have to multiply these two signs. So, plus minus, we get minus, plus minus, minus. And here minus, minus, plus. What we have done in this step, we have removed the small bracket. Okay, we have removed this small bracket from here. So we get the small bracket around it like this. So 1 minus 2. When the negative number is greater, we get the negative answer. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 2, minus 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Clear? Why 1 minus 2 is minus 1? Because the negative number is bigger, the answer will be negative. Okay. Now, we have to multiply these two numbers. So, first multiply the sign minus plus minus and 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. So, in this way, you have solved the left hand side. Now, the right hand side contains a square plus minus b square. So you have to write taking right hand side, taking RHS, that is equals to a square minus b square like this. Now put the value of a over here. A is equals to 1 whole square. Okay, a whole square is there. So write down a within the small bracket and then square is on that. Okay, now copy down the minus sign from the question here and b. B, what is the value of b? Minus 2. Put it in the small bracket because there is a square on the whole term. Now students, square of 1, that means 1 is multiplying 2 times. 1 ones are 1. Okay, then copy down minus sign from the question here. Now minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means minus 2 is multiplying 2 times. Minus 2 is multiplying 2 times. So minus minus plus. Minus minus is plus and 2 twos are 4. So we have copied 4 here. And why this minus sign comes? This minus sign is copied from the question. Clear? Now 1 minus 4, negative number is greater. So answer will be negative. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So here we can see that the left hand side and right hand sides are equal. So write it down here that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Okay, what we have to prove? That the left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Is it clear? Students, is it clear? What we have to prove? We have to prove that the left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Is there any question? This question is clear? Okay, Alishba Rizwan wants me to explain right hand side again. Alishba Rizwan, look at the question a square. Okay, a square minus b square. So a, what is the value of a? 1. Okay, value of 1 is a, but the square is over there. So Alishba, a value is 1 and we have to put the square. So make the round bracket over there and put the square like this. Clear, Alishba? Now minus sign is copied from the question and b value is minus 2. So write down minus 2 with the round bracket and put the square over there. Okay. Now 1 ones are 1 and minus sign is copied from the question. Okay. And minus 2 multiply with minus 2 is 4. Minus minus plus. Alishba, now it's clear? Is it clear, Alishba? Is it clear now? Okay. Now, keep remember in your mind, it's very important that addition of monomials. Algebra, here two monomials are there with a different sign. When plus 3 plus 2x is there, obviously all the variables are same. So we can add them. Okay. So 3x plus 2x. If we have to add these two variables, we have to put the sign of plus. We have to remove the comma and we have to put the sign of plus here. What we have to do, we have to put the sign of plus here. So here we get 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. In the same way, when both the sign are of minus, okay, and then comma, we have to remove the comma and we have to put the sign of plus here. Why? Because we are going to do addition in this question. So, when we remove the bracket, plus minus becomes minus. Plus minus becomes minus. So, minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Like plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. Minus 3 minus 2 plus 5. Minus 5. Okay. In the same way, student, when two different signs are there, minus 3 plus 2. What we have to do? Plus 3x. Okay, then put the sign of plus here. Okay, then minus 2. Now plus minus, minus, plus minus, minus. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1x, or simply we can say that x. Okay, now see when the negative number is greater. When the negative number minus 3 is bigger and plus 2. Okay, 3 is greater. So the negative number is greater. Na? So minus 3 here and plus sign is there. And here the next number is plus 2x. So yes, a student. So here plus 2 is over there. So we get minus 3 plus 2. Okay, minus 3 plus 2 minus x. When the negative number is greater, answer will be negative. Okay, answer will be negative. So here, remember these addition rule. Then when both the terms are positive, result will be positive. When both are negative, result will be negative. When the bigger term is positive, okay, the result is positive. And when the bigger term is negative, okay, the result will be negative. Now add vertically. How can we add these terms vertically? Here, vertically means you have to write down the first expression. Then on the next line, you have copied the next expression. Just check out the variables. Copy down the same variables like this. Okay. Now minus 2 plus 1 gives the minus 1a square, or simply minus a square. Okay. Then minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. Plus 2 plus 1, plus 3. Okay. Clear? Now the next question is add together. Here we have to add horizontally. How can we add horizontally? Just remove this commas and you have to put the sign of plus. Please remember that when the commas are there, you have to remove these commas because the question is of addition. So you remove the comma and put the sign of plus between them. Okay. Now in the next step, arrange the variables. AB, then copy down minus AB, minus BC, and then plus BC, plus CA, and minus CA. What you have done, you have arranged the variables. Okay, arrange the same variables together. Now plus AB minus AB, cancel. Minus BC plus BC, cancel. Plus CA minus CA, cancel. Just like plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled, in the same way plus AB minus AB, cancel. So we get here the answer 0. What we get the answer? We get the answer here 0. Now, subtraction of compound expression. Now here, the students, as we have taken the example of addition of vertical method, addition for horizontal method, here we have taken the question for horizontal and vertical method. Okay. Subtraction of compound expression. Here, the question is for compound expression. Here you can see that 3 terms are there. So it's a trinomial. It's a compound expression. So from this expression, you have to subtract this expression. So first we have to copy down this expression because it is written with the from. Copy down this expression with the small bracket around them. Then what you have to do, you have to subtract. So copy down the minus sign here. Then copy down the next term with the small bracket. Clear, students? Now in the next step, remove these small brackets. You have removed the small bracket and you have written the first expression. Now what about the second expression? Here we have to remove these brackets and we have to multiply it with a sign. Minus minus plus, then minus plus minus, then minus minus plus. Okay, what we have done, remove the bracket and multiply it with the minus sign. Done. Now arrange the variable. Here a square, 3a square. Arrange these two variables together. Then minus ab and then minus 2ab together. Then plus 2b and plus 3b together. We have arranged the same variable with the same powers together. Now students, simplify them. 1 plus 3 is 4a square. Rida, we can add these two variables because it is having same powers and the variables are same. Now here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 3 minus 3 AB. Now plus 2 plus 3 is plus 5. Clear, students? Now how can we solve this question vertically? Students, in vertical method, again we have to first write down the expression which is written with from, and then the next expression is going to be written. The student, then you have to leave one line for the sign change. For the second expression, it is minus, it becomes plus. It is plus, it becomes minus. It is minus, it becomes plus. Okay? Now you have to consider these signs for the second expression. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5ab. Minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 3ab. Plus 1 plus 3 is plus 4a square. Clear? Plus 4a square. Okay. Students, is there any question? Write it in the chat box. Is there any question? Everything is clear? Yes, Ramla? Any question, Rumesa Abid, Sumaya? Is there any question? No? Now it's my turn to ask the question. So, here, choose the correct answer. Now, here you have to just mention that 1A or 1B, 1C, like this. Please mention the correct option. Okay. Now, here, if x is equal to 4, thank you, Sumaya, and y is equals to 2, then the value of x minus 2y is equals to what? Ramla, now my voice is clear to you? Yes, students, everybody. Alishba Sarfaraz, Alishba Rizwan. I want the answers, bete. Halima, where are you? Jay Kumar, Kainat, Arib. Arib, please give me the answer. Yes, Umar. Nuseba, quickly. Umar Abdul Rahman. Okay, I'm waiting for your answers. Okay, very good. So, option number B is correct. Very good. Excellent. Why option B is correct? Because here x minus 2y means first you have to put the value of x, then y value is 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 minus 4 is very good. You all are correct. Now what about question number 2? If A is equals to 2 and B is equals to minus 1, B is equals to minus 1, then A minus B, what will be the answer of question number 2? Umar, you are not sharing any answer. Hania, we can add AB and BA together. Okay, we can add these two terms together. Okay, very good. Question number 2 is 3. Answer is option A is correct. Option A is correct. A, 3. Very good. Ramla, y minus 1 will be the answer. Look at the simplification. 2 minus minus, here minus minus plus. We get the answer 3. Very good, students. Very good. Keep it up. 1 second. So here, take out your correct answer quickly with me. Okay. Now here, we were on question number 3. So the answer of question number 3 is 4. Answer of question number 3 is 4. Okay. Now next. Here, the question is state whether the given statement is true or false. Here 3x are there and we have to add these 3 terms. It gives the answer 2x. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? False. Very good. The answer of this question, it is false. What about number 2? The variables have definite values. Variables are having definite values? False. Very good. False. An expression consists of a single term is called monomial. Is it true? Ali, is it true? Yes, it's true. So we get the answer true. What about number 4? X plus 5 is an example of binomial expression. True, very good. So the answer is true. Now the last. Do as directed. Subtract 8a square from minus 10a square. How can we solve this question? Here the answer is minus 18a square. Very good. Now from 9a subtract minus 2a. Okay, first you have to write 9a because it is written with from. So the answer will be 9a minus, then minus 2a. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? 9a, then minus sign, then within the bracket we have to write minus 2a. What will be the answer, students? 11a, not minus 11a. Ali and Sheroz, it is 11a. Clear? Now what about add 3x minus 2y, then 2y minus 3x. What will be the answer of this question? Okay, I got one answer from the student, Sheroz. And anyone else? Yes, Rida, what will be the answer of this question? Very good, Ali. Excellent. Correct answer. Yes, the answer will be 0. Very good. So thank you so much, my dear student. Take care of yourself. And good luck for your quiz for today. I'm going to upload your quiz right now. And let me show you your assignment also. This is assignment number 28. Okay, I have given you the proof that question. I have given you subtraction and horizontal addition. Clear, students? You have to attempt these questions in algebra copy. Okay? So that's all for today. Take care and Allah Hafiz.